Alrighty, Wilder has no school today, so we're at Prosperity Lanes in Grass Valley. Come on, buddy, you ready to go bowling?
Yes.
Alright, let's run up to the door.
What?
Whoa, look at all these video games.
Ninja Turtle video game.
What? Ninja Turtles?
Oh, hey, it's not the same movie. It's not the movie I watched, Dad. Is that funny?
Yeah. Look at, I think we have this place to ourselves. Very nice. Good job, Wilder. You got like 4 pins, buddy. Good job, Wilder. You got 2 more. You got 6 that time, buddy. Wilder did really good at bowling. He got a little bored after a while. We bowled for an hour. It was a lot of fun. This is Prosperity Lanes in Grass Valley. It was $31 to bowl for 1 hour and 2 shoe rentals. Pretty good deal on a Monday morning. All right, Wilder, you want to say anything?
I had a great time. That man gave me the 2 and a 1 shoe and it didn't really fit, but he got me the right shoes.
Are you ready to go get some pizza?
Yes.
All right.